So right now, the question here is this. SGX, okay, Singapore stocks, which is the best? And second question, the blue chip. What about the blue chip? Okay, which are the best blue chip rank in SGX? And the third question we want to learn about is now whether is it a correction. Okay, so let's do this. Okay, so what I will do here, if I want to find, right, what is the best Singapore stocks, usually, right, I will use this screener called Ultimate Bull. Ultimate Bull is screen out the uptrend stock. So basically, right, there is this like filter. This filter, if this is the, the chart, right, this filter, right, will have like this. Okay, we have this maybe not so steep. Okay, maybe like this. Okay, anything that is above, show me. Anything that's below, don't show me. So you show me the above. Okay, that means the stock that is strong. Okay, that's strong. So it will show me the stock that is uptrend. Okay, uptrend. So right now, if I screen out, right, with the filter of 300 million and above company, those stocks are with 300 million market cap. Okay, 300 million is not small, right? I mean, not so small. In Singapore, it's considered not that small. That means acceptable company, acceptable. 20 cent and above, that means we don't look at penny stocks. Okay, so this is the result. So the result here shows what? Okay, the results here shows that, okay, if I base on the market cap, which is the biggest company, okay, you will see DBS. Okay, so DBS is overall still on the uptrend. Okay, still on the uptrend. Okay, although recently there's a pullback. Okay, UOB still on the uptrend. Okay, still on the uptrend. Just that recently had a pullback. Okay, CapitaLand also overall still on the uptrend. Okay, past few days pullback, but not much. The overall pullback is not a lot. Okay, Ascendas Reit still, like break the 1 whole year high. So you can see this Ascendas Reit, right? It break the 1 whole year high and then pull back. Okay, so that means what? That means overall these stocks, right, they are not bad. Okay, they are doing well actually. Just that these few days there is having like a very strong pullback. Okay, so if this pullback is same as the US pullback, is same as like other country also pullback, then it is not the stock problem, it is the market problem. Okay, right now we are looking at this, the blue chip. This is a market cap. One of the way to identify blue chip is looking at the market cap. Market cap means the number of outstanding shares multiplied by the current price. So we rank based on the market cap. So over here you can see that all these, right, okay, ST, okay, engineering, they are having a pullback. Okay, pretty sharp pullback. Mapletree Logistic also having a pullback. Yangzijiang, one of the actively traded stocks, also having a pullback. Okay, also having a pullback. So right now, what do you observe? You observe that overall, you can see that a lot of these stocks, right, they are having a pullback, except this Parkway Life. If you compare the rest, right, Parkway Life is one of the strongest blue chip. Okay, so basically, right, Ultimate Bull give me the uptrend all here. So among the uptrend, I look based on the market cap. Although Parkway Life cannot compare with DBS in market cap, right? But among the biggest market cap, Parkway Life, right, is actually one of the strongest stock. So other than that, the rest, they are very slow. Raffles Medical, is having a pullback after this very sharp run up. Okay, so this is expected. So the rest below, right, is not really considered blue chip already. Not really considered blue chip already. So all this is all like smaller companies already. So for smaller company, but still quality, means they have a pretty good history before. Okay, these are like quality companies. Okay, So Starhill Global, okay, Starhill Global is what? It's actually the Wisma shopping mall, right? Okay, so this Starhill is also one of the stronger stock. Okay, so basically the idea here is this. Why do we need to know about the strong stock? Okay, so this is the thing. If the stock is no longer strong, that means if the stock, right, okay, is like really bad, right? By right, we want to jump to another stock. Okay, that means if you're having some stocks like not doing well, right? What can we do? We cannot change the stock trend, from downtrend to uptrend. So the only thing we can change is the stock we are holding. So if you are holding on to this stock that is turning down or have been going down and down and down, okay, the only thing that you can change, right, is the holdings. Okay, it's the holdings. So you want to change to a stronger one. Okay, a stronger than what you're holding. So that you're not having a sinking boat. So over here, okay, so this is the strategy. By knowing that, okay, Starhill Global is very strong, Parkway Life REITs is very strong, and some of this stock, like example like CapitaLand, although it's having a pullback, but it's not that serious. These banks, although they are having a pullback, but it is not that kind of like crash. It's not crash, it's just having a pullback. So these banks, okay, they are having a pullback, which if you look backward, right, okay, all these pullback, okay, are considered a small, healthy pullback. Okay, are considered a small and healthy pullback. So overall, this is still on the uptrend, just that now it's having this pullback, which is so far, okay, you can see that overall it's still uptrend intact. So over here, banks, some of the REITs, some of these like Starhill Global REITs, ARA Logos, Logistic Trust, they are still the strongest. Okay, Lendlease is one of the stock that we mentioned, right? So Lendlease is also a quality stock. Why? Because, for example, you know that it is GEMS, okay, they owned by Lendlease. You know that some of these, shopping malls or what, right, is owned by Lendlease, right? So basically, this kind of stocks, right, they are close to a blue chip, just that it's not that big market cap, okay? It's not so big market cap, but overall, it's considered quality. So quality one, to me, uptrend one, steady, still strong, are the ARA Logos, Starhill Global, Lendlease, and the rest may be good, maybe I'm not very familiar. Okay, stocks like Franken, UMS, okay, HRNet, these are some of the stocks we mentioned previously. Okay, so again, Franken, UMS, these are more like electronics, semiconductor kind of sectors. Okay, so they are still in the ultimate bull list. Okay, they are still strong. So over here, previously we also mentioned some of the stocks, right? We rank it with the power, the most powerful uptrend. Okay, that means this might not be blue chip, but they could be one of the strongest powerful uptrend in the market. So one of them is this Grand Venture. So Grand Venture, previously we talked about this stock is too extended uptrend already, might have a pullback. So it really had a pullback. And now the question is whether it will continue or not. Okay, so this pattern, right? This pattern of going up and up and up and up and up, right? Okay, is the pattern of the next IFAST. Okay, this could be the next IFAST pattern. So IFAST, right? If you look at it, right, it's also like this. Correct? That means it has been like going up and up and up and up and up and up. So over here, this Grand Venture, right, is like IFAST in 2020. It is the best performing uptrend stock right now in Singapore. Okay, so of course, it's not for everybody because of the volatility. So some people, they are more adventurous, more risk taker. Then you can put this in your watch list. Okay, so basically, up to now, right, what kind of conclusion we have made? So far, okay, the best Singapore stocks, okay, we see that beside the blue chip, blue chip wise or quality stocks, right, I will say CapitaLand, okay, banks, definitely banks. Okay, banks means the three banks, doesn't matter which one you prefer, which one, then you can take a look at which one. And the REITs, Parkway Life, okay, Lendlease, HRNet, okay, Starhill Global, and these ARA logos. Okay, so this is the kind of like, you know, quality companies and, you know, not so like technology kind of sector, right? Okay, so the other sector is more like tech sectors, property sectors, which is much more volatile one. That means when we rank it with the power, right, you can see it all here, right? So UMS, Franken, this is the stock that we want to, you know, categorize as the more volatile one. UMS, Franken, Grand Venture, okay, and this what we call APAC Realty, okay, APAC Realty and Propnex. Okay, so basically, right, there is like two, you know, one is very aggressive one on top here, the other one is more like a steady one, you know, a bit boring one, but you know, you are not so worried because you own the hospital, you own the shopping mall, you own the logistic trust, you own the bank. So basically, the overall market, is it a correction? The third one, is it a correction already? Okay, based on whatever data we have. So now, is it a correction? You can do this screening of stage 3. Okay, so stage 3 turn down, right, will help me to identify what are the stocks, right, that is turning. Okay, what are the stocks that is like turning down? So one of it, oh, this OCBC. Okay, so OCBC is like turning down. If you look at it, like next few days, if you break this 1148, wow, this one is not very nice already. Because why? Because when market is good, it never break new high. When market is bad, must be really careful, because you know, this shows that, you know, there is a resistance over here. So among the 3 banks, you can see that DBS, this one break new high. This is very strong. You can see that UOB also break new high. Okay, only OCBC never break new high. So OCBC is the weaker one. Okay, SGX, I think there's some announcement or something here, right? Okay, earnings or what? So there is a very sharp drop. So for SGX, right, there is a different, like a strategy. Okay, a different strategy. So just now, right, what we are looking at is one strategy, which is the uptrend strategy. Okay, but some of you don't like uptrend strategy. Some people don't like uptrend strategy, right? They say, oh yeah, expensive already. Then you tell me, okay, SGX, right, is a stock that is currently in a very oversold position. So this system called bottom master system. So bottom master system, right, is to help to identify what are the stocks that is having this sell down, very bad sell down, and kind of like a reversing point. So based on what you see, right, SGX, right, is it the first time it dropped so fast? No, right? You can see that this dropped like this. Previously, it 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 gapped down like this. Previously, it dropped very fast also. Okay, so basically, right, this SGX always give you opportunity to buy cheap. Okay, so you can see this one, it crashed down, right? 2019. So when it crashed down, usually, right, this period, right, now you look back, it's all very nice. Wow, yeah, drop must buy. Okay, so based on the strategy, right, okay, we can see that whenever this green color arrow, which is the oversold region, happen, it is usually almost the lowest point, almost near the bottom, and then there will be like a rebound, right? Then after that, when it go down again, then there is a green arrow. Then this green arrow happen, then it go up, right? And then after that, wow, gap down. What happened here? Okay, in May 2020, that's the coronavirus period. So it dropped. Okay, and then after that, okay, although it's not the lowest point here, but it is quite near the quite near the lowest point already. So if you see right now, okay, if you look back, the past signal, okay, so this strategy and bottom signal is good on certain stocks like this. It means those stocks that always crash on, okay, not really crash, like sharp drop, volatile stocks. So over here, this is a quality company. Quality means what? Quality means good, not bad company, not lousy, junky kind of company, right? So SGX, right, is a quality company, and now is at a cheap price. And based on the past statistic, this having a good chance, good probability. Okay, good probability doesn't mean that sure win. Okay, that means like, hey, based on the past history, there is an opportunity here. There's a potential here, but it's not up to us to decide. It's up to the market to decide whether it go up or not. Okay, so the rest, Mapletree Commercial, a bit disappointing. Okay, Suntec REITs also disappointing. So the office seems like not that fantastic as compared to the shopping mall. All these, the rest, the IFAST, all here it turned red already. So you can see, these commercial REITs, OUE, Mapletree, commercial REITs are not doing well. This is Capcom, right? Previously Capcom also not doing very well. The rest, these are the one that is turning down. Okay, so the rest, all this is not that important. The important one is the previous champion. The previous champion, right, is IFAST, is Q&M. So these are some of the fallen angel. That means previously they are very strong, but now a bit stagnant already. So IFAST, Q&M, Geo Energy, volatile as usual, Tuan Sing, turn rate, and then today is like 5% down. It's not so steady already. So those stocks, okay, those stocks like penny stocks, right? Okay, all these like Southern Alliance, right? Geo Energy, right? Okay, Tuan Sing, right? Okay, they are the one that give way first. Okay, they have given way already. So you see, Golden Energy, okay, it start crashing. So what the market is telling us is the people who buy not so quality stocks, they are getting out. Okay, they are not holding on to the stocks. Okay, they are just throwing. Okay, so even Kim Lee also start to turn red and start to go down. So over here, the rest are still good. So what you can see is, okay, stage 2. Okay, stage 2 still got quite many stocks. Okay, very strong stocks. Okay, all these Propnex, Grand Venture, Franken, Apex Realty, all these, right, the champion, right, still hanging on. Okay, so conclusion for number 3 question. Now is it a correction? Okay, not enough data to prove. Okay, so that means not yet. For Singapore, okay, for Singapore, not enough data to prove. Unless you see, right, this stock, the APEC, all this, right, all these are the best stocks, right? They are the stocks that is right now in this category, right? Unless, right, this stock, right, goes into stage 3. That means, if there's a chart, right? Okay, if there's a chart, right? Okay, the chart goes up like this and turn down like this. So unless they go into this place, then it's considered as a stage 3 stocks. Okay, stage 3 stocks. So is it market correction right now? Not enough data to prove, so not yet. So I hope that you all can, get an idea what's happening here. Okay, basically what I'm sharing with you is like a process that I do to analyze the market, to observe the market in an objective way. Okay, in an objective way, without telling you about the global economics, without confusing you about politics. Like Malaysia, these people talk about politics, talk about all these other things. Okay, so basically we based on the data we get and we analyze the data.